Ever wondered how KFC makes millions of crispy chicken pieces every day? Let's go inside the factory and find out. The flock is looking healthy this morning.
Verified on the tablet, everything checks out.
Each flock is carefully monitored to ensure consistent health and quality before processing. The birds are transported using carefully controlled logistics designed to maintain quality throughout the journey. Temperature-controlled transportation helps preserve product quality from farm to processing. The journey continues inside a modern processing facility, where every stage follows strict quality and food safety standards. Every shipment is inspected to meet strict food safety and quality standards before processing. Automated cleaning systems prepare every batch for the next stage of production. Careful preparation helps ensure consistency throughout the manufacturing process.
The equipment maintains consistent quality.
Yes, the distribution is perfectly even.
The final coating is applied with precision, preparing the product for the cooking stage. Computer-controlled cooking systems maintain consistent quality throughout the production process. The production line moves continuously with precision and consistency. Automated inspection helps maintain consistent quality throughout production. Controlled cooling prepares the product for the next production stage. The signature golden coating reflects the precision of the manufacturing process. After cooking, every crispy chicken piece is inspected for perfect color, texture, and consistency. The production line never stops, ensuring a continuous manufacturing process. Precision robotics maintains speed and consistency during packaging. The approved crispy chicken is carefully placed into food-safe trays to protect its freshness and quality.
The robotic arms are synchronized and performing well. Let's ensure these trays are aligned perfectly.
Every package is securely sealed to preserve freshness. Each tray is sealed and labeled to preserve freshness and prepare it for distribution. Every package is digitally verified before leaving the production line. Every carton is securely sealed to protect the product during transportation.
Automation ensures every shipping carton is packed with precision.
Robotic palletizing prepares every shipment for safe transport. Autonomous forklifts transport every shipment safely through the warehouse. Automated storage systems maximize efficiency and protect every shipment. Smart warehouse systems coordinate inventory and shipping in real time.
Once prepared, every shipment moves toward the loading dock for refrigerated transportation.
Every shipment is prepared under controlled conditions before leaving the factory.
The finished products are loaded into refrigerated vehicles for safe transportation.
From the factory, every shipment begins its carefully planned delivery journey. Temperature-controlled transport protects product quality during long-distance delivery. Regional distribution centers organize thousands of daily deliveries. Automation ensures every shipment reaches the correct destination. The final delivery completes the journey from factory to restaurant. The final stage begins inside the restaurant kitchen.
Freshly prepared products are carefully transferred for final service.
The final preparation preserves the perfect serving temperature. The journey ends with a freshly prepared meal, ready to be served.
Here is your meal. Enjoy.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
After a carefully managed production journey, the finished meal is finally ready to be enjoyed. Every detail reflects precision, consistency, and quality, from start to finish.
From modern production to the dining table, every step is part of one carefully managed journey.